Hello everybody, my name is Manjula Bai Badr Shetty, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Government First Grade College Kalgi. Our college is affiliated to Gulbarga University, Kalburgi. Today my session is on execution and the compilation of a Java program for BSc 5th Sem session 13. So today's session outcomes are the creating the Java program, compiling the Java program and running the Java program. See, implementing a Java program, it will contains creating, compiling and running. How we create the Java program? See, we can create a Java program using any text editor. For example, Notepad is there. Below is a Java program example is there. That is public class test is there, public static void main and string arguments and opening brass and the system.out println, and the output it will display as a hello. So like this we have to write the program in a command prompt. See, we must save the program in a file called as a test.java. Whatever the class name we are given, same name we have to save as its file extension as a .java. So how should we compile the program? See, to compile the program we must run the Java compiler as a javac. Javac with file name as a, for example, if we are giving as a file name as a test, then we have to write as a javac test.java. If we are given other name like as a class name as a hello, then we have to give as a javac hello.java. If everything is okay, so then the compiler will create a file name as a test.class containing the bytecodes of the program. If there is an error, then it will show the errors. The compiler automatically what it will do, it will names the bytecode file as a class name.class. For example, what is the class name? Test is there, then it will convert it into as a bytecode as a test.class. How should we run the program? For running the program, we have to go to at the command prompt. Then we have to, there is a write as a Java test, not write as a javac test. For compilation only we have to write the Java test. For compilation only we have to write the javac test.java. For running we write only the Java and that file name as a test. The interpreter looks for the main method and in the program and begins execution from there. From main only it will start the execution. When executed, the program will display whatever we will write inside the system.out println. We are already seeing in that example, I am writing as a hello, then it will display the hello. So students, we will see this compilation and execution of a program by writing in a notepad. So I have opened the notepad. See, this is the notepad. I will write a simple Java program, that is class opening brass, and write here as a system.out println public static void main, string is capital, S is capital, string string, argument args, and close, no semicolon for this line, and opening brass, write here system system system.out println println, and you have to write here as a hello. HELLLOW. and close the brass bracket and give the semicolon and close with 2 flower brackets. So this is and give the class name here as a welcome. I'm giving here as a class name here as a welcome, and we have to give the first name here as a capital letters. So we have to save this one in the same path where the Java is there. Save. So our Java is present in local disk C, and here program files are there, and in Java and in JDK 10, and then in bin we have to store our we have to save the file name. My file name is W is capital and welcome is my file name. File name should be the same as the class name, and give the extension as a Java, and we have to save this one in this path. Now go to command prompt, then you have to cd double dot and cd double dot, write the same path, program files, cd Java, cd cd JDK 10 and cd bin, and write compile the Java program giving as a Java C. What is file name? W is capital, welcome dot Java. If so, run the program. If there is error, then it will give errors. If there is no errors, then it will print as a hello. For running, what we have to write? Only Java, not Java C, only Java, and file name is, or the class name is capital, W is capital, welcome. So here you will see this one, here hello is printed. So whatever, first we have to go to Notepad and write the program and save this one as a .java. Class name should be the same as the file name, and come to command prompt and set the path and run. Here for the compilation write Java C welcome.java, and for running the program write Java file name, that is Java welcome. Okay, thank you. I hope you will understood this session.